One of the things near and dear to my heart is Chevelles and Impalas, and we have a lot of them. This is a 66 Chevelle convertible with a big block. This is a total project. Here's a really nice 66 Chevelle SS clone. I ran and drove this. It's a beautiful car. It's a 65 Chevy Impala Super Sport. Very nice car. We got quite a few Impalas. Don't forget about our Impala online only auction, which is going live right now. There's about 22 of them that we're going to be auctioning off. That's an online only auction in South Dakota. A lot of bubble tops and 59s. This is a 61. This is a one owner Impala and runs and drives. It's an original car. And we got some street rods. This auction is November 11th at 10 a.m. It's live on site with online bidding. It's going to roll fast, so be on time. You'll park across the street in farmer's pasture. This is a 33 Plymouth four-door sedan, actually a very rare car. We also have a 33 Plymouth Coupe, body on frame. This is a 46 Mercury with a 4647 Ford front end. Has a Hemi, was a vintage drag car. This is a 35 Ford. You can tell by the grill scooping underneath. And this did 2 tours in the Great Race. It's an original car. Of course, they redid the rims, but they have to be original cars to do the Great Race. And this one finished it twice. And that's sponsored by the History Channel. Here we have a cute little 50 Jeepster, 54 country sedan. It's a 65 Cadillac. Put horns on the hood and be your own boss hoss. And cool car, runs and drives. 73 Mercury XR7 convertible. Don't see those in the wild very often. This is a very nice 72 Pontiac Grand Prix. It's original, Model J. 56 MGA Roadster. Soft top is just needs to be done. It's rough. 65 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Drive it. Runs and drives. Drive her home. 57 Ford Thunderbird, 2 tops. Hard top, soft top. We're starting the auction coming up. These are early. Be on time. Gates open at 8. This is a 77 T-Bird. Land Yacht. This is a 71 Lincoln Mark III. Hi.
How you doing?
There's candy over there, kids. Free.
We already got into
Okay, 71 Mustang. 66 Ford pickup. That's an original truck. Runs and drives from Clemson University. 2011 Dodge Challenger RT. 2002 Ford Lightning. We'll go over here and look at some other ones.
Are you videoing?
Yep. There's 2 Corvettes down here. We'll go over here. It's hard to walk on these big white rocks.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
All right, this is a 68 Chevy Corvette. This originally was a 427 big block 4-speed car. It has a 350 crate motor in it now. It still has the 4-speed, but and wrong side pipes. But this is a big block car. 76 Corvette. The 79 Firebird is original, and we have the build sheet. Show you couple other ones here. There's a Boat Tail Riviera 73, 69 Impala. This is actually a rare little bird. This is a Volkswagen Double Transporter, 1963. A Dodge A100. It's a 69 Coronet 444 speed. Here's that other, this is a 138 car. It should be quiz time. What does that mean? Tink, 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 tink. It's a super sport car. This is a 66 Chevelle roller. This is a 61 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 bubble top. Actually a very rare car. 57 Chevy 4-door. 57 Chevy wagon. Somebody rammed a Vortec in there, runs and drives. Couple pickups. This is a Ford F100 with a cab extra. A 51 Chevy pickup, 9-foot box. There's Ron again. 73 Challenger. Some parts cars. 35 Buick. 40 Ford body. Then we run into some more street rod candidates. 35 Ford. 31 Ford Model A Coupe. It's a 33 Plymouth Coupe. This would make a really cool street rod. Tucked in the corner here is 259 wagons. And that'll round it off. 1966 Chevelle, totally restored. SS. Automatic. I just drove it. Nice car. Black buckets, automatic console, new interior. Retro radio. .136 car. November 11th, Wood Heights, Missouri, VanderbrinkAuctions.com. No reserve.